guys, so I'm back with another video. I'm back with Moneybag E. We are doing another wig install. I'm using this 14-inch 13x4 unit. This is how she looks. Just to show y'all how the lace look. The lace look real good, y'all. Like y'all can see it on my skin. Skin to skin is looking real skin. All right, so the products that you guys are gonna need when I install her wigs, we use the Got To Be glue. We do not use like the wig glue. Y'all know what I'm talking about. All right, so we're gonna need this good old cap first because we need to melt the cap. So this is real easy peasy. I'll speed this up for y'all because y'all know how this process go. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put the cap on my girl's head and then spray it with my Got To Be glue free spray. I'm gonna take my dryer on cool setting, dry that down, and then cut off the excess amount of cap, and then take my makeup so I can go ahead and put it on there so it blends in easier. Next, I'm just taking the wig, making sure that it fits correctly on her head, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take my free spray because she doesn't like to use the glue, and then apply the unit. So you're just gonna do the same thing. I like to go in between a warm setting and cool setting when I'm applying the glue, just so it sticks a little bit more, because I noticed with the cool setting that it won't stick all the way. So I'm just gonna continue to do this. Once I'm finished, I'm going to pull out the hair that I'm going to use as baby hair, and then I'm going to take my elastic band and I'm going to go ahead and tie that around the perimeter so it lays super flat. Y'all see it's lit up. Friend, hold it. But yeah, next I'm just going to go ahead and prep and get ready to style. She wants a side part with curls. Now y'all see how that's wig look. It's just, you know, whatever. But we're going to turn this into something real cute. So I'm just going to take my wax stick. This is Essential, and then I'm going to take my freezing spray. This is just another brand, and then I'm just going to go ahead and take my hot comb that you need. Y'all need this, okay? Plug in hot comb to go ahead and lay down your parting and your front area before you get ready to style your baby hairs and style the hair. Next, I'm going to take my curling iron and add some curls to the unit. I'm just going to put them in everywhere because then I'm going to comb them out to give us a really cute curl look. And this is going to really put some pep in the step of this wig. Next, I'm just going to style the baby hairs, give her some dramatic looking baby hairs with this unit because we need this unit to do the most. I'm going to take my blow dryer, just blow dry once again. Then I'm going to go ahead and I was fixing baby brows so she could take up pictures. But boom, baby, we have this beautiful bob. This is 14 inches. It looks so much better when I added the curls. It's giving me life, y'all. So if you like this unit, let me know. And if you like this style, let me know. Thanks so much for watching. I love y'all. Subscribe and doing all that good stuff. Bye.